Let's talk estates. Have you inherited a home that's in probate and you have no idea what to expect? Well, I'm here to give you some insight on what probate is and what you can expect, and why your home is in probate. Hi, my name is Stevenson, and I'm with Century 21 Accord Realty right here in Swift Current. And I've been selling real estate for about 10 years now. Now, this kind of thing can add stress, so let's alleviate that. What is probate? It is a legal process that is required to sell a property that is in a deceased person's name. When in probate, the court gets involved at various levels depending on the situation. Probate is very different than a power of attorney. So if your power of attorney and your executor of the estate are different, then paperwork will have to get changed. A person is assigned to administer the estate, which very well may be you if you're watching this video, and that person is called the executor. You can also expect there to be an estate attorney to help with this legal process. And know that there is always some fees associated with completing a probate procedure. One of the biggest reasons an estate goes to sale as far as real property goes is the way the title was held. If it's held in joint tenancy and one of the owners is still surviving, then it just gets transferred to them. But the best thing to do to avoid going into probate is before the owner passes. By working with an estate attorney, you may be able to avoid this probate procedure by putting your assets, including real property, such as a home, into a trust. A common misconception about probate is that people think having a will keeps the property out of probate. That is not true. The will does allow the deceased person to determine things such as who receives what and who will be the executor of the will. This is much better than trying to sell the property intestate or without a will. If there is no will, the courts actually determine the intestate succession. In other words, who receives the property that is left behind. And this makes it so much more difficult. If you find yourself involved in a probate, there are many resources available to help direct and smooth the way. I'm equipped to help answer many of your questions, as well as to become that resource to connect you with other vendors and services that you might need along the way. Continue to watch the upcoming videos in my probate series for more detailed information. Also, make sure to seek the advice of a lawyer. I'm not one, but I just like giving helpful information, and especially during difficult times, videos like this are very helpful for people. So, I'm Stevenson, helping you move up to your Swift Current dream home.